The 2020s are rolling in here at Robbins RV and Motorsports, and this is probably one of my favorites yet. This is the 2020 Keystone Cougar Halfton 29FKD. Tons of windows, but look at that huge front kitchen layout right there, folks. Big window, huge counter space, charge ports, wall outlets, awesome backsplash, huge sink, lots of storage over here, big fridge. Move over here, you got your Thomas Paine collection, reclining sofa. Check that out. Heated seats. Awesome. Over here you got your 4K Ultra HD TV and a fireplace. This Cougar, of course, has the in-command system worked over here on this pad. You work everything in the trailer. And it does have a climate guard, so that means you can camp in this bad boy all 4 seasons. No matter the weather, no matter the temperature, get your family, go outside, go camping, take that fishing trip, go on that hunting trip, vacate for the holidays, whatever you want to do, you can do it any time of year in this Keystone Cougar, folks. Let's move on over here to the bathroom. Tall toilet, lots of space in here, folks. Lots of space. Don't want to be bumping shoulders with the honey when you're getting ready in the morning. The shower, though. The shower is luxurious. It's awesome. It's probably one of the best looking showers in a travel trailer I've ever seen. Huge skylight. Lots of natural light in here, folks. Let's move on over here to the bedroom. You do have second entry here in the bedroom. And you have your own AC back here in the bedroom. That's right, this unit features 2 ACs. You got your entertainment center here, clothing storage above and below, TV mounting location, and one rather large, rather long closet with upper and lower storage. And of course, mirrors. Padded headboard. Awesome lighting here in the bed area. But that's not all. One of everyone's least favorite parts of camping is getting the trailer leveled out. Well, that is fine. This trailer has a fully automated leveling system. That is right, a fully automated leveling system. You can go in here, level the trailer out all on your own. No hassle, no bad words, no broken bones, no cuts, no blood. You get it done efficiently, and you can have more time with your family and your destination. So come on here to Robbins RV and Motorsports. Check us out. We're at 1300 Northeast Lincoln Road in beautiful Idabel, Oklahoma. The 2020s are rolling in daily. We have got a huge selection of them so far, and there is more to come, folks. So come on by 1300 Northeast Lincoln Road, beautiful Idabel, Oklahoma, or you can visit us online at www.robbinsrv.com.